Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting compact cars coming in 2026, the all-new Mazda 3. Mazda has always been known for blending style, driving dynamics, and affordability, and the latest generation continues the tradition with a sharper design, upgraded performance, and a much more premium interior experience. Let's break it all down in detail. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mazda 3 carries forward Mazda's signature Kodo design language, but it feels bolder and more refined than ever. The sleek silhouette is enhanced with a more aggressive front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and sculpted lines along the body that make it look sporty yet elegant. At the rear, the taillights have a distinctive modern signature, and dual exhaust outlets emphasize its performance-driven nature. Buyers will have the choice between a sedan and a hatchback, both of which are striking, with the hatchback giving off a more youthful and athletic vibe. Mazda also introduced new wheel designs and fresh color options, including a stunning deep red metallic that highlights its curves perfectly. When it comes to performance, the Mazda 3 has always been praised for its handling, and the 2026 model takes it even further. The base engine is a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing around 190 horsepower, offering a perfect balance between efficiency and power for daily driving. For those who crave more excitement, Mazda offers a turbocharged variant that pushes close to 250 horsepower, delivering a responsive and thrilling drive, especially when paired with all-wheel drive. Steering remains precise, road feedback is sharp, and the suspension system has been fine-tuned for both comfort and sportiness. Whether you're cruising on highways or taking on winding backroads, the Mazda 3 continues to stand out as one of the most engaging compact cars to drive in its class. Fuel economy is also impressive, with the standard engine achieving close to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, making it both fun and efficient. Inside, the 2026 Mazda 3 feels like it belongs to a luxury brand rather than a compact category. The cabin is minimalist, elegant, and driver-focused, featuring premium materials such as soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum accents, and a new widescreen infotainment system that finally offers touchscreen functionality in addition to Mazda's rotary controller. The seats are well bolstered, offering great comfort on long drives, and the hatchback variant provides generous cargo space for those needing extra practicality. Tech features include a fully digital driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Mazda has truly elevated the interior to compete with luxury rivals while still keeping its approachable feel. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Mazda 3 starts at around $25,000 for the base trim, making it a very attractive option compared to other compact sedans and hatchbacks. The turbocharged models with all-wheel drive and premium features climb closer to $35,000 to $37,000, which still represents great value considering the performance and luxury-like features you're getting. Mazda has struck a perfect balance between affordability and premium appeal, giving buyers a lot of options depending on their budget and needs. So overall, the 2026 Mazda 3 is a fantastic upgrade that blends striking looks, engaging performance, a high-end interior, and competitive pricing. It's the kind of car that appeals to both practical daily drivers and enthusiasts who love being behind the wheel. If you're looking for a compact car in 2026, the Mazda 3 definitely deserves a spot at the top of your list. Would you like me to also create a YouTube title, description, hashtags, keywords, and outro for this Mazda 3 review like I did for your other car reviews?